So, about online classes. I don't know, the 60 of you that you are, how do, 60 of you that you are watching, 60 of you, the 60 of you that are watching, how do you like online classes? For a fact, I cannot tolerate online classes. I think I know the reason why. Well, online classes, my god, they take up so much, like, they don't take up much, I mean, I know, do they take up time? No, not really, but they do make you really lazy to just keep the class running and I'll just be sleeping on the side. Or like, do you guys really learn anything from online classes? I'm not able to concentrate much on online classes, but I think it's because it's all online and the way online classes are conducted, it's just one glowing circle that just goes bloop bloop, and you're just staring at a screen for how many 6-7 hours at a time. Well, I don't know if you can see me, but this is the way I sit and do my online classes, which is not really the most apt way of doing online classes. And first of all, it's so dark. It's now weather in Chennai is also nice and cool. I'm sitting in the comfort of my own bed, and yeah, this is not really the right way to do your online classes. At least I feel, if you want to learn something. I feel like the main problem is we are not in like a environment to study, and we are not in that whole like you're sitting at home and doing everything, so you're not really getting that motivation to do anything. The main factor I feel is motivation. Usually when you're in college, you would see other people do stuff and other people get tensed over something, and you will be like, oh shit, even I need to do. Here you have to see through text messages and be like, oh shit, everyone's tense like that. Don't know what other people are doing. Very frustrated at one more point, like with this online exam. Teachers, why do you want us to write in paper like this? You make us write in so many A4 sheet papers, and then you ask us to scan it and send it. Now what do I do with this? What is the point of this? Why can't we just write it in a Word document? Right now I feel like I'm complaining about nothing, because it's like, anyway, what can the teachers do? They're also trying their best. So it's like, we can't go out and have a regular class because it's the pandemic. Sitting at home and learning is more tiresome. Like, it's very... When will all this get better? Who knows? So I guess till then I'll have to sit and finish my research proposal, hopefully in a, like a very, like, hopefully it's decent. But don't complain too much, and please don't make it too hard for the teachers. They're also trying their best. I just wanted to speak my mind. Please don't cancel me. Please, I beg you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you disliked it and you hated the shit out of it, leave a dislike. But if you do love it, please subscribe. And if you're first time seeing me, I'm Nishant Arya. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.